Yo, yo, yo. Good morning. What's up? Let's see. What's up? What's up? Good morning. I'm just reading some comments on Twitter. What's up? Who made money yesterday? Yesterday was fantastic. What a beautiful trading day yesterday. I loved it. Took 3 trades. Honestly, I wanted to take a 4th, but I already pretty much doubled my goal by the time that this QQQ setup popped up. So I was like, am I gonna take it? And I decided not to, and of course I should have taken it. But QQQ, if we go to that trade yesterday, the one that I was watching, I told everybody that there was a bull flag on the 5-minute. As we can see, nice shot up, bull flag, bull flag, bull flag. Breakout was right here. And I was looking at those 295 calls. I can't remember the price that they were when I was watching them, but when I came back and this thing was flying, they were up like, I want to say 40% roughly. Around 40%. Yeah, that AMD put smacked. I didn't take that one, but I know a lot of people did, so congratulations if you did that. I caught the Microsoft put that we talked about yesterday. So Microsoft below that 256.53 level went for the 255 puts. This thing dropped all the way down to 253. That was a beautiful trade. So I caught that, and then we also caught QQQ in the morning for the puts. The reason, looking at the 5-minute candle, it came up, smacked that 288.96 level, denied it, orange dot squeeze, red momentum below everything. Odds are this thing's gonna go down. And so we ended up going for the puts, and the price target was 285. It literally came like 4 cents short, and we fully exited as this thing went in our favor. And then I took a SPY trade based off the 3-minute bull flag. It was forming a 5-minute bull flag as well, but the 3-minute you can really see it. And those contracts moved $80 in 2 minutes. So beautiful trade. Beautiful trades up, I should say. But yeah, I ended my day fantastic yesterday. Wheat went crazy, so it was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Remember, we had those wheat swings. They closed at plus 55%. So I got 2 contracts running. I want to see what we can get out of it. If anything, just set a stop loss at break even. Beautiful trade though. Name another server that's trading wheat. We always be swinging some weird stuff. But yeah, so Lotto Friday, again, more people are joining in here. So how did we do yesterday? Did you guys make money? Did you guys lose money? Do you know why you lost money? Some people did end up taking that Facebook trade yesterday, and I talked about it in the live voice in Team Bull, why you should have been stopped out. Because if we go to Facebook, what was the level we were watching? If we go to Facebook, the put level was 185.86, right? So did you do anything wrong right here going short? No, because it broke below the level. Sure, it dropped a little bit, so you could have taken some profits. It dropped around $1.03. So you could have trimmed, but if you decided to hold, well, you would have been stopped out here. Some people were holding for hope for some reason, when as soon as it closes on the opposite side of, you blew your account. Okay, we'll talk about that. As soon as it closes on the opposite side of your entry, you're stopped out. So if you were holding for hope that this thing's going to go down, again, there was nothing wrong going short here. What was wrong was holding until it came all the way up here and you suffered a huge loss. Get out early. Again, small losses, big wins. That's the motto. That is the motto, like Drake. Anyways, so I actually found a new indicator that I'm going to start using. It's an institutional indicator, or it's a variation of an institutional indicator. So Let's see. Yeah, especially if you're trading puts, my intention with puts is not to sit around and wait to see what happens, because puts, honestly, buying puts is kind of hard. Like, no cap. But it is hot in this room. Humid. I'm actually kind of sweating. But let's see. Let's get everything set up. Question for you guys real quick. Hold on. I want to ask everybody a question before we start. Can somebody tell me what $20 times 255 is? Everybody in the chat, tell me. 20 times 255. What is it? Good morning. What's up, channel members? Greatly appreciate you guys. Let's see what your guys' answers are. $20 times 255. What do you mean no, Brandon? Brandon's right here. 5100, 5100, 5100. 5100. Okay. Now, I don't, what the heck? There we go. Tell me how this makes sense. Somebody please explain to me how this makes sense. If he makes $20 a day off of $270, he'd have 57 trillion after a year. I woke up at like 1 in the morning and was reading Instagram comments. And I read this and I was like, all right, I'm going back to sleep. This does not make sense. I don't know where this dude got that math from. Good God. Some people. Anyways, let's find stocks to trade. Enough of that. Tesla's up. Huge. So we might watch Tesla. But yeah, let's run it up today. Let's make some money. Let's see what we can buy. Let's see. Bring up the Discord to myself. Bingo. What's up, Nick? Good old Nick is in the building. I guess he's got that. Yeah, he's just built different. Public school math. I mean, I would say I'm pretty bad at math, but I still know what 20 times 255 is. That AMD looks pretty good. Oh. Big thing. Remember what we said about QQQ? That 50% retracement. Huge level. We hardly broke below it yesterday. Double bottomed at 285, and now we're all the way up here at 297. That 50% retracement on the QQQ is huge. So if we get a monthly close below 285, that's bad. But we did bounce. We could see some green today. I know I gotta clean the chart, so ignore that. But I will say we got some swings on radar today. I do like AMD. Hopefully it doesn't break out. AMD. Exactly. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 110 people in here and only 50 likes. Again, if you guys want the watch list, you got to run it up to 150 likes. AMD, orange dot squeeze, 4-hour time frame. Squeeze. I will say the swing that I'm watching, Bristol Myers, this looks amazing. I've been watching it all week. I want it so bad. Right down to that daily 34 EMA with a bounce. That would have been a beautiful entry, but I'm going to see it break above the trend line. Keep your eye on that. Let's see. I believe there was oil news this morning. Chevron's too far. Facebook actually looked really good. Breaking above that 4-hour wedge. If we can crack above 195.76, I would be interested in some calls. Break below 190.75 for puts. IBM, still watching that for the breakout. LYB, I don't think I'm getting anything there. MPC, way off what I wanted. Microsoft, disaster of a chart. Honestly, not too interested in Microsoft. Maybe. That's a hard maybe. Microsoft. Nvidia dojied at the bottom of a downtrend, so that's good. It's breaking above it. I really like that setup. MU was another one. So if we're looking at MU on the daily time frame, 65.67 was major support. I actually added some equity to my long-term portfolio yesterday because we can see 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit. That actually would have been a beautiful swing. But yeah, MU right off of that support, it's up $4 right now. Tesla's up 60. I think it broke the level. Yeah, Tesla broke the level. I think the Twitter deal isn't going through, which is why Twitter's up or Twitter's down and Tesla's up. So we'll look at Tesla today. I think USO. Yeah, USO is far off. Exxon's far off. Cool. And then day trade stocks. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. 130 people in here and only 65 likes. Again, I'm not that good at math, but I think 130 divided by 65 equals 1/2 of you have clicked that like button. Apple, Doji, at the bottom of a downtrend. Could be a scalper for you small accounts. We looked at AMD, Boeing. Yeah, 57 trillion% of you have clicked that like button. Poor guy. Poor guy. Coin, I think Jim Cramer talked about coin and that's why it's up. Already moved most of my crypto out of it. I don't trust coin. Let's see, we looked at Facebook, we looked at Microsoft, we looked at Nvidia, SQ. Oh, my bad, it's 45%, whoops. 90.95, yesterday's high. Oh, this is Roku, I thought we were looking at SQ. Yeah, there's no liquidity. SQ. Not too interested in that. We looked at Tesla, Twitter destroyed. Walmart. Come on. There we go. Walmart's just kind of in a channel right now. Maybe earnings breaks it out. As of now, not too interested. They report next week. Because GME started squeezing for some reason. All right, we got a really small list today. AMD, Facebook, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla. QQQ. I had to clean this chart. Good God. Nice 30-minute squeeze on QQQ. Could see 300. Honestly, if it can sit here below 297.52 all the way to market open, I would gladly go long at a break. So I do like that QQQ level. And then SPY. I don't even trade AMC. Not my kind of stock. Spies up big time. Do we have a economic calendar? Might have to get some G Fuel. I'm super tired this morning. So we added QQQ to the list. Import price index is at 8:30. So we got 2 minutes till that. Bro, why does it keep doing this? Cool. Let's wait and see what happens with the futures. ES. It's really hard to say when we bottom. The only thing that we can do is those retracements. And again, QQQ made the 50% retracement yesterday and it did bounce. Knowing that a 50% retracement is very, very common. You know, that could signal a bottom, but we really do not know if it's truly the bottom yet. Only time will tell. See, 50% retracement. Boom, bounce. So we shall have to see. But yeah, we got airports in 1 minute. See what happens. Hold on. All right, how much time we got? We got 25 seconds. What are we thinking? We dump or we pump today? Yeah, I will say we are sending a lot of money to Ukraine, which, if you guys know about economics, misallocation of capital, no bueno. Alrighty, 8:30. Let's see what it is. What we got? I'm waiting for it to pop up on Twitter. Come on. If somebody gets the numbers, post them in the chat. Unchanged consensus 0.6%. Let's see. Non-petroleum import prices plus 0.4%. Petroleum import prices negative 2.9%. All right, let's see what happens with the futures. That's all we need to know. Let them digest. Almost has 7,000 followers on Twitter. Facts, Jay. Facts. Again, if you know economics, misallocation of capital is not good. Come on, what we gonna do? We gonna pump, we gonna dump. Trying to break that bull flag. Can it do it? Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 160 people in here and only 100 likes. 60 of you have not clicked that like button. Hit 150 likes, that's when I drop the watch list. But we really got to see how the futures digest. I don't want to put all calls just for the futures to tank and, you know, that whole plan goes to crap. So give it a couple more minutes, or we can just set an alert. It should break to the upside, but it's struggling to do so. I'm pretty sure that's just because news is hitting at the same time. But set an alert, we shall see. Alrighty, AMD. I really like this setup. 89.67. Daily 21 EMA is at what is that, 92.67. There's that. Pivots. Bro, why is this screen doing that? Yeah, we got a lot of room up. Those person's pivots, they don't play. I got no SMAs blocking it. We have a level at 9150. I think that's the only thing blocking it. Yeah, I really don't have much on AMD. Besides that 9150 level. Maybe, hold on. I would say this 9058 level too. So all right, AMD looking for a break above 8970 for calls. Beautiful 4-hour squeeze. If we break above there, could see 90.58, 91.46, 92.67. There's AMD. Unless the market just tanks, then we'll have to figure out what to do. But I like AMD. Let's go to Facebook. I would really like Facebook above 195.75. Again, if we get a market pump. It's at that weekly pivot. 197.60. What is that? 197.92. Yep. How our futures doing? Yep, there we go. We pumping. So Facebook 195.75, 4-hour falling wedge breakout. And make sure there's no moving averages that are gonna block this. What are we looking for? The break above 195.75. 200 obviously. Gonna be that psych number. Then the daily 21 is at 202.16. Boom. How many likes we got? 128 likes. Keep running it up. Keep running up them likes. We need 20 more. 20 more likes if you guys want the watch list. Also, if you're a channel member, check the little community thing. I uploaded some more winning trades for you guys, so you guys can kind of see like what I'm looking for when I enter a position. So go to the channel community. Facebook. If the market pumps, looking for this above 195.75 for calls. Price target equal, what is that, 198, 198 to 198.20, 200, 202.16, puts below 190.75, price targets TBA. 4-hour falling wedge breakout. Cool. There's Facebook. Told your grandma to come give the video a like. I love it. That's true dedication right there. If that Microsoft can continue to squeeze into the open, I would be very happy. Very, very happy. Stay with the video. Yeah, we're gonna take Tesla off. Boom. QQQ. Yeah, that squeeze. If we can sit there and just squeeze until the open, I will rip calls at the breakout. So I like the way that one's looking. Obviously, we're gonna trade Uncle's levels. I'll add my own levels too. But yeah, Microsoft squeeze, Nvidia squeeze. I think those two are gonna be the come on. Don't you do it. Why does this chart do that? Alright, Nvidia, TBA, Microsoft, faux show. Oh my god, there we go. Oh yeah, Microsoft's at huge resistance right now. So we cracked that level. What was yesterday's high? That's above yesterday's high. Previous day's high is all the way over here. Yeah, I look for multiple squeezes. The more squeezes, the better. Just like that, the SPY and QQQ yesterday. There were tons of squeezes. Makes it even more high probability. There's like no resistance. Like 264 just because that's the daily 8 EMA, or not 8 EMA, 5 EMA, and then 268.39, which is going to be your daily 8 EMA. But other than that, there's like no resistance on Microsoft. All right. Oh no, what is that? I'm trying to find some price targets, but I literally don't see any. None. Zero. Maybe this trend line. That's about it. But even that's all the way up here. Alright, I'll take it. Literally, like, no resistance. Cool. I trade the SPY and QQQ levels based off of Savage's levels. Microsoft, if this 10-minute squeeze can hold, I will be looking for a break above 260.26 for calls. There honestly is not much resistance, so I will trim as it goes in our favor. Cool, there's Microsoft. Jadon trying to take my swing trade title. He had a banger spy call. Good for him. That was killer. All right, so what do we got? Oh my god, that thing's gonna irritate me. Microsoft. Honestly, we can watch it downside too. 259.28. So watch Microsoft, Facebook. Gotta join the Discord server to find out Savage's levels. Facebook and AMD. Here, if you're not in the Discord. 1 second, where is the link? There it is. If you are not in the Discord and you're not following me on Instagram or Twitter or any of that, the link is right there. I just sent it like 6 times. So, yeah, you join the Discord, get 50% off your first month, plus 2 free trial days. If you use discount code BULL50, BULL50. And yeah, you don't follow me on Twitter or Instagram, I don't know what you're doing. Clearly, I'm out here making 37 trillion in a year. But I think the other stock that I might end up watching is gonna be Nvidia. It just really depends on this level right here, 168 like 50, 168.6. So I will be watching that again. QQQ is squeezing. I really like that squeeze on the 30-minute and the 10-minute if it can hold going into the open and actually break. If that's the case, I definitely have a feeling this thing's gonna go. So watch QQQ with that squeeze. Watch Nvidia. I like the other setups. We did hit the 150 like goal. So real quick, again, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very, very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment. So yeah, do your own due diligence, use proper risk management. I am not responsible for any lost funds. However, if you do make some money, make sure to take a screenshot, send it to me on Instagram. I post the watch list every day in the chat. Also, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys are. I do these live streams every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Plus, I give you guys literally like daily educational content on the channel. So, oh my god. There we go. Daily content. Oh, thank you to all the channel members. I greatly appreciate it. You guys pop up right here. Hey, and yeah, if you guys are not a channel member, make sure you guys do join if you do want to support the channel. As for the videos, I mean, 3 small account trading tips, midweek market updates by QQQ, retracements, Forex. I am making more Forex videos. Absolutely love doing the Forex videos. Yeah, just literally free watch lists every single Sunday. QQQ and SPY levels every single Saturday. Yeah, if you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. But let me drop the levels in the chat for you guys. Yes, sir. Let's win. Let's run this up. Running for president? Maybe. Maybe. We would become the wealthiest nation if I became president. That's facts, though. People be quitting their jobs because of what we're doing. Now, it's obviously not a promise that you're going to be able to do that, because trading is much harder than, you know, you start trading and 2 months later you can quit your job. But eventually it gets to the point, right? I trade for a living. Jadon trades for a living. Grizzly trades for a living. Savage, Green Eyes, etc., etc. It's doable. We have people in the chat that do it. Just, you got to continue the education. You're gonna, you know, have your ups and downs, but at the end of the day, if you keep grinding and you want it bad enough, you're gonna get it. Just remember that. But it is Lotto Friday, meaning you can lose your initial investment very quickly. Remember, the contracts move stupidly on a Friday. You can make 100% in a minute. You can also lose your entire investment in 1 minute on a Friday. So typically my rule is on Fridays, I only use around 1/3 of my profits for the week. And if I lose it, I'm done. So easy to quit your job if you have no job. I mean, yeah. I will say it was easier for me just because I was making minimum wage, and I always tell people that. It's not like, you know, I had a 100 grand a year job when I started trading. I was literally working for $10 an hour, $11 an hour. So obviously it was easier for me to make this a full-time income. But now I was going into I was gonna be a state trooper. Done made so much more than a yearly salary for a state trooper. Yeah. But keep killing it, guys. I believe in all of you. If I can do it, you can do it. And yeah, there's your little motivation for the day. Let's run it up. Let's make some money. Subscribe to the channel. I will be live on Monday. However, I will not be live on Tuesday. The fiance graduates, so won't be here for that. Well, because Texas Beck loves his job. There's a difference between working and loving what you do. I know what he does for a job. If he loves it, he loves it. If you can get benefits from your job and make what Texas Beck makes in a day, why would you not? Plus more money. I mean, yeah, it's as simple as that. But yeah, let's run it up. Let's make some money. Everybody enjoy your Friday if you're in Team Bull. I will be talking to you guys in 15 minutes. And real quick, one more thing. If you guys do want to get mentored by me, Grizzly, and GD, this starts on Monday. This coming Monday, the 16th, it starts. This is going to be the last time it's going to be at this price. After this, the price gets upped so we can pay for, you know, more educators and hopefully just a lot more information. But yeah, after this, prices are going up. If you guys do want to hop into that, again, it starts Monday. Seats are running low. There's a link for that. But yeah, if you're